Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a snapper push mower. It's an easy speed series, a Ninja mulching system. It has a Briggs & Stratton 700 series, 161cc engine on it. It's supposed to be one of them. It's an automatic choke, like one pull thing. Well, anyways, one pull don't start it. 10 pulls don't even start it. So we're gonna see why it don't start. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's take this air filter assembly off. It looks like the 5/16. That filter is definitely dirty. Make sure nothing's bound up on here. Unhook the fuel line here. Take the clamp off. Okay, looks like the bolts for the carburetor are 5/16 too, but I need to put an extension on there. Okay, we gotta be careful and pull this off because there's springs all over the place. I don't want to lose those springs. We'll unhook this one here. Definitely don't want to lose none of these. Like someone had this apart already. They got gasket sealer on there. There we go. Let's leave this spring on there. You can see they put gasket maker on there. I'm going to spray that off a little bit before we tear it apart. And I'm going to go ahead and drain the oil here real quick. Okay, it's a 17 millimeter nut on the bottom here. I just stick it in the vise to break that loose. That yellow in there, that's that doggone ethanol. Bunch of chunks in the bottom there too. And here's your main jet right here. We're gonna go ahead and stick this in the boiler here. Get it cleaned up real good. While the carburetor is being cleaned, we're gonna go ahead and put a new plug in there and finish draining the oil and put some new oil in there. Being that filter was so clogged up, you can see how rich it was burning. They pop that boot on there till it clicks, vacuuming out the oil. I put some fresh oil in there. Use 16 ounces. Clean our dipstick off. Right on full. Some clean oil. Okay, just wait till the carburetor is done. We'll put that back together. Okay, that carburetor cleaned up real nice. So, put our new bowl gasket here. First thing we do, here's our main jet right here. Spray carburetor cleaner in that hole right there and make sure you can see it come out here. Because if that's plugged up, it's not going to run. Bowl gasket seems a little bit on the tight side here. It's the one it calls for. This must not have been a very popular carburetor because you don't see too many of them around. Okay, now we can go ahead and stick it back on the lawnmower. Okay. Hook up our automatic choke. I'm going to blow the tank out here real quick so make sure there's no debris in there before we hook up that fuel line. Hook the vent up. That hole on the side there. Yeah, went too fast. Wasn't paying attention. You gotta put this little spring on. So that happens when they try rushing. Oh, there we go. Then this vent tube goes in this hole right here. There, now we can. I'll put the throttle on fast idle. And we'll bring this back to there, and it should be all adjusted. Okay, I gotta go find me a new air filter because it's not gonna run very good with that one. Go get a filter and see if this thing don't run. Okay, we got it off the table. Need to put some fuel in it and see what it does. Okay, got the gas in there. Put it on fast. Well, there you go. Runs like new again. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon. Bye.